Hello students, welcome to Learning Zone channel. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போறது 4th standard science term 3 unit 1 or environment. இந்த லெசனோட short and detailed question answers தான் பார்க்க போறோம் with pronunciation ஓட. ஓகேவா? Roman letter 10. Answer in one or two sentences. First question, what are the 3 R's? The 3 R's are reduce, reuse and recycle. What is biodegradable waste? Waste that can be decomposed or broken down by microorganisms are called biodegradable waste. Third question, write the different steps in waste management. Separation of waste, waste collection and transportation, waste recycling and composting, waste dispersal. Fourth question, name any 5 items which are recyclable. Paper and cardboard, plastics, metals, glass, ink cartridges. Fifth question, what is non-biodegradable waste? Waste which cannot be broken down by natural organisms and causes pollution are called non-biodegradable waste. Sixth question, who can protect the environment? Plants and human beings. Write some examples of eco-friendly materials you have in your home. Stainless steel water bottles, leaf plates, cotton. Eighth question, what are the things that can be used instead of plastics? We can use eco-friendly materials, either can be biodegradable or reusable. Ninth question, what is waste? Any object or material that has been used but is not wanted anymore, is not useful to us because it is broken, worn out or cannot be used again or called waste. 10th question, what is meant by conservation of environment? Conservation of environment means to protect all things found in nature. 11th question, what is the motto of NGC? The motto of NGC is, where there is green, there is prosperity. 12th question, who invented the first fully synthetic plastic? The first fully synthetic plastic was invented by Leo Baekeland in 1907. Next, Roman letter 11. Answer the following. What can you do at home to help waste management? There are many things we and our family can do to manage waste at home. 3 R's help to manage waste. Waste at home should be separated into biodegradable, recyclable and non-recyclable categories. Biodegradable waste such as leftover food and vegetable waste can be broken down naturally to create compost. Recyclable waste such as paper, glass and metal can be made into new useful products. Non-recyclable waste should be kept separate and will be sent to an open dump or landfill. This should be reduced as much as possible. Second question, what are the plastic items that have been banned in Tamil Nadu? The plastic items that have been banned in Tamil Nadu are plastic bags, plastic plates, water pouches, plastic straws, plastic sheets. Third question, write the benefits of recycling. It helps to make new products by using them. Recycling takes energy and time but saves the amount of new resources. For example, water, minerals, wood. We need to make things. Fourth question, What is mean by eco-friendly materials? Things that can be decomposed or broken down by microorganisms are biodegradable. They can return back to the soil and become food for plants. These biodegradable items are called environment friendly or eco friendly materials. Why does steel water bottle and snack box considered as eco friendly? A stainless steel water bottle and snack box are considered as eco friendly because stainless steel does not leak chemicals into our food or water. So it is safer than plastic. These can be reused for a longer period of time. Next question. What are the benefits of 3Rs? Cuts down the amount of waste that can be disposed. Conserve natural resources and energy. Saves land and money for landfills. Protects the environment and keeps our environment clean. Protect animals from eating waste accidentally. Seventh question. Write any 5 non-recyclable items that you use or have seen in shop. Plastic bags, food packaging, sanitary medical waste, multi-layer plastics, polystyrene, CFL lights. The eighth question. Write some eco-friendly activities. Practice the 3Rs and remember to first reduce your waste. Always put waste in a bin. Do not litter open areas. Reduce your paper use by writing on both sides of every sheet of paper. Choose to reuse. Use reusable bags and containers. Separate biodegradable, recyclable and non-recyclable waste. Avoid one-time use plastics. Answer in detail. Explain about 3Rs. The 3Rs stand for reduce, reuse, recycle. First one is reduce. It is to make or use less materials. This is to make, buy and use things that create less waste. It is the best things to do first and make less waste. Example, while shopping with your parents, you can carry a cloth bag to avoid buying plastic carry bags. The next one is reuse. Reuse is using a thing repeatedly for the same or for another purpose. By reusing, we throw away less waste and do not dispose of it in a dump. Reuse saves money, energy and time. Example, you can reuse jam and pickle jars to store things. Next, recycle. Recycle is to take materials from things we throw away and make new products. Recycling takes energy and time but saves the amount of new resources. For example, water, minerals, wood. We need to make things. Example, PET bottles are recycled into plastic threads and then used to make sports t-shirts. Old glass bottles and broken glass pieces are melted to make new glass. Second question. Explain any 2 steps in waste management. Separation of waste. This is a very important step in waste management. It means to sort or divide the waste into different waste bins. Each bin should have a different types of waste. It is good to separate waste in 3 different bins. The second heading, waste collection and transportation. Once we separate our waste in our homes and schools, it is important to keep it ready to be picked up by our municipality or corporation. Picking up the waste is called waste collection. Moving the waste from one place to another place is called transportation. The next question is, write a note on water recycling and composting and waste disposal. The first is waste recycling and composting. Biodegradable waste is taken to a place where it can be converted into compost. Compost is food for plants and helps to make our soil healthy. Non-biodegradable waste that can be turned into something new and valuable is taken to a recycling factory. The next heading, waste disposal. The waste that cannot be recycled needs to be sent for final disposal. This waste is sent to an open dump or landfill. Roman letter 13. Draw the following. Some utensils. Some utensils வந்து நான் draw பண்ணிருக்கேன். நீங்களும் இதை பார்த்து draw பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Okay, thank you students.